I have this cross-tabulated data for fruits and respective month sales mentioned here. I want to convert this into a tabular format where fruits is mentioned, months are mentioned, and respective sales are there. So this is unpivoted dataset. So how do I get it? So let us start writing the formula. To call if NA, select the fruits, comma, select the month columns, round bracket close, press enter. Similar way we will do it for months as well. Select the months, comma, select the fruits, round bracket close, press enter. So let us convert this date format with custom. This will be 3 times M, 2 times Y, press enter. Now sales will be to call, select all of these cells, press enter. So that's it, like guys, from my side. You can unpivot the data using this to call and if NA formula.